Are you ready to start your fitness journey but don't know where to begin? One of the hardest parts of starting a healthy lifestyle is taking that first step, but with determination and the right exercises, you can achieve great results in just 4 weeks. In this video, we will guide you through 5 simple exercises that will transform your body and help you become fit and healthy. And once you start, the results come. When you start seeing results, it's almost impossible to quit. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. These exercises are perfect for beginners and require no equipment, so you can do them from the comfort of your home. Key takeaways. Perfect your workout routine. Start with simple exercises. Focus on form and consult a professional if needed. Step-by-step process. The plank. Get down on the floor into a push-up position. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are directly underneath your shoulders. Engage your core and hold the pose for 30 seconds. The push-up. Place your hands on the ground directly beneath your shoulders. Tighten your core and make sure that your entire body is straight. Lower your body towards the floor, exhale, and push yourself back up. The squat. Stand facing forward with your chest up and your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and push your butt back as if you are sitting down in an invisible chair. Lower yourself down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Lunges. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, making sure your back knee is hovering just above the floor. Push back to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump and raise your arms above your head while simultaneously spreading your legs apart. Jump again and return to the starting position. My personal best advice for starting your fitness journey is to take it one step at a time. It's important to focus on form and listen to your body. Always consult a professional if you have any concerns or questions. Lastly, remember that consistency is key, so make sure to schedule your workouts and stick to them. FAQ. What should I do before starting an exercise routine? Before starting any exercise routine, consult a professional and make sure that your diet is in check. Can I do these exercises at home? Yes, these exercises require no equipment and can be done from the comfort of your home. How long should I do each exercise? For beginners, start with 30 seconds and gradually work your way up. Can I do these exercises every day? Yes, you can do these exercises every day, but it's important to listen to your body and not overdo it. Can these exercises help me lose weight? Yes, these exercises can help you lose weight, but it's important to pair them with a healthy diet and consistent exercise routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more daily hacks on the human body.